Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Are you tired of spending hours creating PowerPoint slides from scratch? Let me introduce you to a game-changing tool, Work PPT, your smart solution for fast professional presentations in just a few clicks. Powered by SoftTooler's advanced AI technology, Work PPT helps you instantly generate stunning presentations from any topic, text, or even a PDF document. Whether you're a student, educator, or business professional, Work PPT eliminates the hassle of manual slide creation and gives you a compelling starting point within minutes. Experience the ease of turning your ideas into visually appealing slides and confidently share your work with the world. Work smarter and present better. That's what we believe in here at Tech AI. Let's jump in and see how it works. The link to the website is provided in the description below. Simply open the link and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be welcomed by a beautifully designed, user-friendly dashboard. At the center, you'll find a text box where you can enter any topic to instantly generate a presentation. Click on this plus icon and you have the option to upload files, whether it's a PDF or another document type, and create a presentation directly from it. On the left-hand side, you'll see a set of powerful tools. There's the AI chat, AI PDFs, AI summarizer, order list, invite list. We'll talk about them later in the video. Now let's walk through the creation process. Start by typing the topic of your presentation into the main text box. For example, let's go with Marketing Strategy in 2025. Next, choose how many slides or cards you want in your presentation. I'll select 1 to 10 cards from the dropdown. After that, click Enter. The tool will then generate suggested subtopics based on what you entered. Once you've reviewed them, click on Generate My Presentation. Now it's time to choose a template. Work PPT offers a wide variety of beautifully designed templates across different categories, including multi-purpose, business, marketing, technology, and more. You can even preview each template before selecting one, so you know exactly how your slides will look. Select the template that best suits your presentation's theme and move forward. Once your template is selected, the AI begins generating your full presentation automatically. As you can see here, the slides are beautifully structured. You can further customize everything, move elements around, edit the text, change fonts, and even adjust word spacing. For instance, I'll adjust the spacing here to make the content cleaner. Once satisfied, just click Save. And yes, you also have the option to download your final presentation in one click. Let's also take a quick look at the Upload File feature. Simply upload your document, and Work PPT will automatically scan the content and suggest suitable topics. From there, the process is the same. Select your preferred template and watch your presentation come to life in seconds. That's how powerful and simple Work PPT really is. In just a few steps, you can go from a blank topic or document to a fully designed professional presentation, complete with editable slides, flexible design options, and quick export. Now take a quick look at its other powerful features. Let's start with the AI chat feature. I'll simply enter my prompt and hit the Enter key. As you can see, it has provided a very informative and well-structured response. It understands my prompt better and gives more detailed results, even compared to ChatGPT in some cases. Next, let's move on to the AI PDF tools. This section includes multiple handy PDF utilities, but for now, I'll show you just two. PDF to image. Click on it, then click Select File, and choose your PDF. You can adjust the settings based on your preference. Now, just hit Convert, and within seconds, it turns your PDF into images and starts the download. Easy and quick. Add watermark in PDF. Click to open it, then select your PDF file. Enter the text you want as a watermark. You can even adjust the watermark size. Once you're ready, click on Add Watermark. As you can see, the watermark has been successfully added. Let me know in the comments. How many stars would you give this feature? Now let's check out the AI Summarizer tool. I'll upload a PDF file here, and the tool will analyze it and give me a clear summary of the information inside. Super helpful. Next is the Created by You tab. All the files you've created using Work PPT will be saved here for easy access later. Lastly, there's the invite list. When you invite your friends to use this platform, you'll receive bonus usage credits in return. So that's it for today's video. From AI PDF tools to chat assistants and smart summarizers, Work PPT made every step easier and faster. It's not just a presentation tool, It's a complete AI-powered workspace that truly simplifies your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends or colleagues, and subscribe to Tech AI for more tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.